Moroccan turkey marinade, the secret to juicy, flavorful turkey clapperboard. Have you ever wondered how to make turkey more flavorful, juicy, and aromatic? The secret is often in the marinade. Moroccan cuisine has a beautiful way of combining olive oil, garlic, fresh herbs, warm spices, and lemon to create deep and delicious flavors. Today we are going to prepare a simple Moroccan-style turkey marinade that is perfect for a whole turkey or turkey pieces. The ingredients are easy to find, the preparation is simple, and the result is full of Moroccan flavor. So let's get started. Herb the Moroccan turkey marinade. For about 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds of turkey you will need 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, finely crushed 1 small onion, finely grated 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, optional. A small pinch of chili pepper, optional. These ingredients create a fragrant marinade that combines freshness, warmth, and the distinctive flavors of Morocco. Bowl with spoon. How to make the marinade. Start by placing the olive oil in a large bowl. Add the crushed garlic, grated onion, fresh parsley, and cilantro. Then add the cumin, paprika, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Add the fresh lemon juice. If you enjoy a little heat, add a small pinch of chili pepper. Mix everything together until you have a smooth and aromatic marinade. The combination of olive oil, garlic, fresh herbs, and Moroccan spices gives the turkey a rich and delicious flavor. Turkey. How to marinate the turkey. If you are using a whole turkey, first remove any packaging and pat the turkey dry with paper towels. Gently loosen the skin over the breast and thighs. Rub some of the marinade underneath the skin. Then rub the remaining marinade over the outside of the turkey. Don't forget to season the inside cavity as well. For turkey pieces, simply place the pieces in a large bowl and coat them completely with the marinade. Make sure every part of the turkey is covered. For larger pieces, you can make a few shallow cuts in the meat. This helps the marinade reach deeper into the turkey. Alarm clock. How long should you marinate the turkey? For turkey pieces, marinating for at least 2 hours can give you good flavor. For a deeper and richer taste, keep the turkey covered in the refrigerator for 6 to 12 hours. A whole turkey can be marinated overnight for an even more flavorful result. Always keep raw turkey refrigerated while it is marinating. Do not leave raw turkey at room temperature for a long period. Fire. How to cook Moroccan-style turkey. There are several delicious ways to cook Moroccan-style turkey. Turkey roasted turkey. For a whole turkey, preheat your oven according to your recipe and the size of the bird. Place the marinated turkey in a roasting pan. You can add onions, carrots, potatoes, or lemon slices around the turkey for extra flavor. Roast until the turkey is completely cooked and reaches a safe internal temperature. The result should be beautifully browned on the outside and juicy on the inside. Grilled turkey. Turkey pieces are also excellent on the grill. Preheat the grill and place the marinated pieces over medium-high heat. Turn them regularly so they cook evenly and develop a beautiful golden brown color. The Moroccan spices create an amazing aroma as the turkey cooks. This method works especially well with turkey breast, thighs, and smaller pieces. Cooking. Pan-cooked turkey. You can also cook smaller turkey pieces in a hot pan. Add a small amount of olive oil if necessary. Place the turkey in the pan without overcrowding it. Cook until the outside is golden brown and the inside reaches a safe temperature. The garlic, herbs, and spices will create a delicious aroma while cooking. Hot pepper. How to adjust the marinade. You can easily change the marinade depending on your taste. For a milder flavor, leave out the chili pepper. For a spicier Moroccan flavor, add a little more chili pepper or paprika. For a fresh and bright flavor, add a little more lemon and fresh cilantro. For a deeper roasted flavor, use a little extra paprika and cumin. The goal is to create balance without covering the natural flavor of the turkey. Morocco. The Moroccan touch. One of the secrets of Moroccan cooking is using simple ingredients in the right balance. Olive oil helps carry the flavors. Garlic adds depth. Fresh parsley and cilantro add freshness. Cumin gives the turkey a warm, earthy flavor. Paprika adds color and sweetness. Ginger and turmeric bring warmth, aroma, and beautiful color. And lemon adds a fresh finishing touch. Together, these ingredients transform ordinary turkey into something special. White mediums are the secret to juicy Moroccan turkey. The secret is simple. Good turkey plus fresh ingredients plus balanced spices plus enough marinating time. But there is one more important rule. Do not overcook the turkey. Turkey can become dry if it is cooked for too long. Use a food thermometer and make sure the thickest part reaches a safe internal temperature. Let the cooked turkey rest before slicing. This helps keep the meat juicy and tender. Clapperboard outro. And there you have it, a simple Moroccan-style turkey marinade that brings together garlic, fresh herbs, olive oil, lemon, and warm Moroccan spices. With a few simple ingredients, you can transform turkey into a flavorful and aromatic dish inspired by the Moroccan kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious recipes and food stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Enjoy your meal, and welcome to the flavors of Morocco. Morocco Red Heart.